Hey guys, thank you for jumping onto this video on how to create a split screen text effect on InShot video editor. Create a new blank video. Set the canvas to 16:9. Increase the duration to 5 seconds. Then change the background to white. Add your text. And increase the text size.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't
Now save the video.
gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just
Create a new project with your main clip.
I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs.
Tap PIP and overlay the white text. Tap blend and select lighting or screen. Play the video and split the white text. Add keyframe to the second clip and tap mask. Use linear mask. Play the video at the middle of the second clip. Drag the white text up. Let's preview it. Finally, copy the second video. Change the mask of the first keyframe. Select the rotate button. Play the video and drag it down at the second keyframe. Done. Let's see the final results. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.